Take a couple of moments to become centered, to come in the present moment. Bring your attention to your breath, watching the natural incoming breath and outgoing breath. When you are with your breath, you are in this moment. When you are with your breath, you are connected to the wisest part of you. And as you are with your breath, allow yourself to affirm, I am amazing. Allow yourself to feel, I can do anything. I choose to be positive. I celebrate being alive. Affirm, I am prepared to succeed. Affirming these, believe in yourself. If you have a couple of more minutes, stay with your breath before you come back, opening your eyes, believing in this. Have a wonderful day.